Hi, Bruce.
Hey, Lars.
Hi. We're here at the Continuous Delivery Conference in Stockholm 2017.
Yes, we are, yeah.
And you're attending as one of our sponsors,
right?
Yeah, which is kind of out of the ordinary. You're not the average sponsor. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're doing and why you're here?
Well, you're definitely right. We're not the average sponsor that you'd expect for this type of conference, but that's almost kind of why we're here. The company that I'm a co-founder in, Fable, we are a design studio and content creation agency for companies that work in tech. And we've provided the branding for this event for the last 2 years. And about 6 months ago, when we were talking about the campaign for CodeConf 2017, all of a sudden it just occurred to us, why just do the branding? Why not attend as well? There will be a bunch of companies there that are similar to ones we've already worked with, and as a startup we're always looking for new ways to engage customers. So as soon as we had the idea to attend, it was a no-brainer. We knew that we had to come along.
So kind of, I mean, what we do in this business is typically it's people, it's software, it's essentially things that aren't really there, right? It's relation and then it runs on computers. So how do you sell something that is essentially not there, right? I mean, what is the strategy for this kind of work that you're doing?
So we're really big on listening. In our experience, there's far too many design studios that are too eager to force their artistic prejudices on clients. And we find that the best approach is to do absolutely nothing at all until we have listened to what our customers want and what it is they're actually selling. And you're right, because a lot of what you guys are talking about here, even if it's technical or if it's people, it's still abstract concepts a lot of the time. It's not hard and fast products like it's not toothpaste or breakfast cereal or sunglasses or car insurance. It's quite often we're talking about ideas and concepts, and if you want to promote them truthfully and do justice to them, then you need to listen and understand them first.
Okay. And what is your background? What is your ethos? Why are you more capable of doing this than other design studios? What is your background? Where do you come from?
So the biologist Stephen Jay Gould, he once famously described religion and science as non-overlapping magisteria, as in these are two completely different ways of thinking and inquiry that have got no business being in the same conversation. Now, I don't necessarily agree with that, but it's an interesting thing to think about when you move the conversation on to talking about art and technology. Now, traditionally, these might have been seen as non-overlapping magisteria. You're either a techie person who does lots of technical stuff, or you're an artistic, aesthetic sort of person. You do that sort of stuff. And what that means is, what it's meant for technological products and services in the past is either you go to a creative agency that doesn't understand what you do and they make something that looks really pretty and it has got no relevance to your product at all. That's option one. Option two is even worse. Option two is DIY, where the technology people say, there's no way we're giving this to the bohemian art crowd. We'll do our own design, and it looks awful. So we thought, why do these things have to be mutually exclusive? Why can't we take the art and the technology and the expertise and the skill in both and marry them together? And that's how we created the company. So we have 5 co-founders. 2 of them belong in the art world, 3 of them belong in the tech world.
Okay.
And it's that combination that allows us to really deliver the goods for.
So even the arts people in your company, they do actually have access to all the technology, support and help and supervision that you'll need to be able to cover your customers' needs. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, that's basically our model. We have the experience of producing art and good quality content, but we also have behind us people with technological expertise that means that we know what we're talking about when we produce our products for our customers.
Okay, good. Thank you, and good luck with your future endeavors.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.